Welcome to Mission Tech Center videos. This time we are going to discuss the term moment of a force and how to calculate the moment of a force about a point with an example. What is the moment of a force? The effectiveness of a force as regards to its tendency to rotate a body about an axis or a point is called the moment of a force. It is measured by the product of the magnitude of force and the arm of the force. What is arm of the force? Arm of the force is a perpendicular distance on the line of action of the force from the moment center. What is the moment center? Moment center is the point at which the moment is to be taken or measured. Here O is the moment center, A is the point of application of force F, this is the line of action of the force F, OB is the required perpendicular distance. Moment about center O is equal to magnitude of force into perpendicular distance. Here it is OB, we get the value of OB from sin theta, which is opposite OB by OA. Substitute the value, then we get the required moment. What is the unit of moment? We know that it is the multiplication of force into force and distance, then we get Newton meter. There are several forces acting on a system of magnitude F1, F2 and F3 at a distance d1, d2 and d3 from the moment center O. How to calculate the moment about this center? First of all, draw a vertical line and a horizontal line which is passing through the moment center O. The horizontal line is made by the forces F1, F2 and F3. We know that with the center O, it makes a rotating effect in the clockwise direction. Similar way F2 in the clockwise direction and O F3 in the anti-clockwise direction. If we consider clockwise moment is taken as positive, then the anti-clockwise moment should be taken as negative by substituting F1 into D1 clockwise, F2 into D2 clockwise and F3 into D3 anti-clockwise direction. Let us work out an example. Three inclined forces are acting on a rectangular frame. To find the moment of a force about point A, first of all resolve all the inclined forces. 4 kilonewton cos 40. This is the angle making component, so we should consider the cos of that force. The other will be sine component. Here 5 kilonewton, 5 cos 45, 5 sine 45. Here 1 kilonewton making an angle 30 degree, then 1 cos 30 and 1 sine 30 acting at below of the frame. While taking moment about point A, all forces must be considered. All forces are drawn separately to understand easily. First of all, draw a vertical and a horizontal line which is passing through the moment center A. The line of action of the force sin 40 is passing through the moment center. The moment will be 0. In the case of force cos 40, extend the tail of this force, meet at the vertical axis which is already drawn. Then we get a moment of 4 cos 40 into 200 in the clockwise direction. In the case of 5 cos 45, extend the tail of this axis, meet at the vertical axis which is drawn. Direction will be the same, making a clockwise moment taken as positive. And the case of 5 sine 45, extend the tail of this axis, break at the horizontal axis here, making a making an anti-clockwise moment of magnitude. In the case of 1 cos 30, the line of action of this force is passing through the moment center A, so that the moment will be 0. In the case of 1 sin 30, which makes a clockwise moment of magnitude, and calculating we get the value is positive, which means that the net force is acting along the clockwise direction. Thank you so much for watching.